My most recent experiences have just been phenomenal. From start to finish, they came, checked out the space, gave me a very detailed quote, which I received via email, and everything was just really easy. I was able to sign the quote, send it back via email, got a call, scheduled the work, and then I was amazed. Like 15 minutes before the guys were supposed to show up, I got a text on my phone that showed me the image of the gentleman, the main technician who was coming, and a little bit of information about him, which really put me at ease. Living alone with just my daughter, I like to see the face of who was coming to my door to do the work. And then I couldn't believe how clean they left it. Like, they literally left my space cleaner than when they came. And I've had a lot of contractors do work over the years, and it was just nice knowing that it was done right the first time. And I would say that's just really important. Knowing that it's going to be done quickly. They brought in enough guys so that it didn't inconvenience me for a long time. And same thing with payment. I received an invoice via email and was able to just go ahead and go online and pay that invoice right away. It just was really easy. Took me very little time, and I just felt really reassured knowing that everything was going to be done good.